Hello everyone, today we are going to go over text-to-speech recordings in DialMyCalls. To get to the recording section, click on Messages and by default you will be on the Recordings tab. Click on Text-to-Speech to start creating your new message. Enter a name for your recording. This will be for your records and so that you can easily choose the proper recording when sending a broadcast. Type out your message and then DialMyCalls will automatically convert it into an audio file. Once you've typed out your message, select the language that it is typed out into and whether or not you want a male or female voice. You are able to preview this recording, and if it sounds good, then click Save and Close. You will now see your text-to-speech recording listed. If you see a red warning icon, that means your recording is too short. We recommend at least 15 seconds in length. And you have a few options for that recording. You can play back the recording to make sure it sounds good before you send it out to your contacts. Click on New Broadcast to start a new voice broadcast using that specific recording. Download your audio file, edit the name of the recording, and finally you can delete the file from your account. That wraps up our video on using the text-to-speech to create a recording in your DialMyCalls account. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086. Our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.